Hey there, beauties! Today, I want to talk to you about how you can transform your skincare routine with the power of mindset. First and foremost, it's essential to approach your skincare routine with positivity and intention. By setting aside time each day to care for your skin, you are not only improving the health of your skin but also practicing self-love and mindfulness. When you have a positive mindset towards your skincare routine, you are more likely to stick to it and see results. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving healthy, glowing skin. Remember, your skincare routine is a form of self-care and self-love. Embrace it with a positive mindset, and you'll not only improve the health of your skin but also boost your confidence and overall well-being. Uplift your skincare routine with the power of mindset and watch your skin transform before your eyes. You deserve to feel beautiful inside and out.
Hey, beauties! Today, I'm here to share with you some essential natural skincare products that will help you boost your growth potential and achieve a healthy, radiant complexion. First up, let's talk about the importance of a good cleanser. Using a gentle, natural cleanser is key to removing dirt and impurities from your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Look for products with ingredients like honey, coconut oil, or green tea to cleanse and nourish your skin. Next, let's discuss the power of exfoliation. Exfoliating regularly helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote cell turnover for a brighter, smoother complexion. Opt for a natural exfoliant like sugar or oatmeal to gently buff away dead skin without causing irritation. To finish off your natural skincare routine, don't forget to moisturize. Hydrating your skin with a natural moisturizer will help to lock in moisture, prevent dryness, and keep your skin looking healthy and supple. Remember, taking care of your skin with natural products is not only beneficial for your skin's health but also for the environment. So, treat yourself and your skin to the goodness of nature and watch your beauty blossom.
Hey there! Are you looking to boost your confidence in the kitchen with some easy meal prep tips? One of the best ways to boost your confidence in the kitchen is to start with a plan. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and make a shopping list. This will help you stay organized and on track. Prepping your ingredients ahead of time can also make cooking a breeze. Chop up your veggies, marinate your proteins, and pre-measure your spices. This will save you time during the week and make cooking a lot less intimidating. Lastly, don't be afraid to keep it simple. You don't need to make gourmet meals every night. Start with easy recipes and gradually challenge yourself as you become more comfortable in the kitchen. Remember, confidence in the kitchen comes with practice. So don't be afraid to get in there and start cooking. Uplifting ending sentence. With a little planning and preparation, you can boost your confidence in the kitchen and become a meal prep pro in no time. Happy cooking!
Hey there, beauties! Today, I'm here to share the secret to achieving glass skin and consistent growth. First off, consistency is key. It's important to stick to a skincare routine that works for your skin type. This means cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun every single day. Consistency in skincare will help to maintain the health of your skin and prevent any issues from arising. Next, make sure to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day will not only keep your skin looking plump and moisturized but will also flush out any toxins that can lead to breakouts and dullness. Remember, achieving glass skin is all about taking care of yourself both inside and out. By following a consistent skincare routine and staying hydrated, you'll be on your way to achieving that radiant, flawless complexion you've always dreamed of. Uplift your skin, uplift your spirit. Keep glowing, my friends.
Hey there, foodies. Today, I'm here to share with you 5 delicious foods that you should add to your routine for stronger, high-protein meals. First up, quinoa. This versatile grain is not only packed with protein, but also contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's perfect for salads, bowls, or even as a side dish. Next, we have chickpeas. Whether roasted for a crunchy snack, or blended into creamy hummus, chickpeas are a great plant-based protein source that can be easily incorporated into your meals. Don't forget about tofu. This soy-based protein is incredibly versatile and can be used in stir-fries, salads, or even as a meat substitute in your favorite recipes. For a boost of protein and healthy fats, try adding nuts and seeds to your meals. Sprinkle them on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for an extra crunch and nutrient-rich addition. Remember, incorporating these high-protein foods into your routine can help you build muscle, stay full longer, and fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. Happy cooking!